What the fuck is wrong with this piece of shit, bro? I'm dead. Alright, so we finally got a good day to ride. It's been a while. It's been disgusting out. It's been cold as shit. Finally got a good day to ride. And bike's running okay right now, but it wasn't running so good before. It was bogging. I think it was cold. I'm not sure, but carburetor is the next thing on the list. Oh shit, oh shit! I couldn't get the brake. Fuck. Should I send it? Fuck it, I'll send it. I'll go on the less deep side. Okay. Oh! It's sinking! It's literally sinking. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, we made it, we made it. That shit's scary as fuck. I don't know why, I hate it. This one we can go around. Damn, it's cool out here. Imagine falling down there. See, this is the puddle. I fucking hate this puddle, bro. Can I just end it up here? I don't want to go through that shit. That shit way too deep. Fuck it. I'm gonna send it up here. Hey, let's go, let's go. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Holy fuck, this is so bad. Alright, bet we made it. Whew. I'm telling you, these fucking like little puddle things are like 4 feet deep. Oh my god, there's another one, bro. These never end. Let's see if we get up second gear. See, I'm not trying to fucking ride through that, bro. That goes all the way down there. There's like no way to get to the spot. This bike is too fucking weak for that, bro. What the fuck is wrong with this? Bruh, why can't these fucking things dry out already, bro? Damn, what the hell is that? There's so much weird stuff down here, I swear. Should I send it? Fuck it, I'm gonna send it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the worst thing that happens. I can just jump off to the side real quick. This. Oh no! Don't stop, bro! I gotta stop. I'm gonna do another one right here. Okay. We're not gonna stop. Oh my god, that's deep. Dude, that is deep as shit. Yo, we're sinking it. No. Don't stop. Yo, we were in that shit. No, wait. Oh shit. Did he go in the air filter? I think we're good. That shit is deep as shit. That's scary. Wow. Oh shit. Oh fuck. That kind of hurt. Yeah, that's weird as shit. Oh, there's shit in it. Like this shit, we can make it around it. But the big ass puddles on there, you can't even go around it. I'm not trying to go on the main road. Like, hold on. This one you can. Fuck, I don't know if you can. How did I? Oh, right there. Ooh, don't go too far. Oh shit. I'm telling you, that's at least like 5 feet deep in the middle, like no joke. Oh shit. Yo, there's some weird ass shit over here. Yo. What the hell? That's weird. A sink? Nah, someone lives down here 100%, but I'm like scared to go over there. Yo, let's try doing this real quick. Woo-hoo! Yo, a cone. That's so weird. Yo. Okay, is there any? Hold on, bro. There has to be no way around this. Ooh. Damn, imagine falling down there. You can't get out of that. Holy shit. This bike is so shit. Going to neutral. Okay, fine.